There's nothing out there that can be done. Right now we turn up the party, turn up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to you with my little mess out because I will be showing you guys 3 quick easy hair tutorials to the area that I'm in. I don't have any black hairdressers to do my hair, so I have to know how to do my own hair. So anyways, enough of the rambling and talking. I'm gonna get right into the video. Okay guys, so right now I'm just parting my hair, the front, separating the front from the back. I'm just gonna go back over and make sure my part is as straight as I can get it. Now I'm just gonna put away the back of my hair, adding some vitamin E oil because it was a little dry. So I'm just gonna brush it back and put that away, and we're gonna focus on the front. Okay, so we're gonna start on the side of the hair. You just want a small part. We're gonna do a small plait coming forward. Okay guys, I gotta take some time to talk about this product. Listen, I know some people are using edge control and stuff right now, but this, I have it in the red as well, and the name of it is red 1. This be having me look like a whole hairdresser when I do my hair, babes, because it keeps your hair where it's supposed to be. Like, the only time I ever see flaking is when I have my hair in long and I don't cover it and I add extra product like on top and scratch. So basically you wouldn't see flaking because everyone else would be normal, but definitely recommend this product. Let me apologize in advance for my facial expressions because they're really bad. When you're trying to concentrate on doing your hair, sis, you don't think about your face, so it gets worse throughout the video, but bear with me. Now I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, now we're going to part our hair in the middle. I like to part my hair in the middle first to find the center. Then I'll part the other side to kind of make the shape. So what we want is a big plait in right down the middle on a curve, and I wanted it to be centered as much as I could. So I parted down the middle first, and then I put one section out, and then I did the other side. Now we're gonna just put 2 small plaits on the side of the big one on each side. If you guys can't plait, maybe you can do some twists, but I learned to plait when I was like 10 or 12 from my grandma, so I can't even remember like exactly how I learned, but she taught me. Right now I'm gonna just part my hair in two big plaits and one small plait in the middle. I find separating them before you plait makes it go so much faster. After you finish this, all you want to do is do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, so that was the hardest and longest part. Right now we're just gonna focus on the 3 different styles. Now for this I use 3 different kind of hair textures. This one is a half wig that I made out of some tracks a few years ago and I still have it. This one is quite easy. I just pin it on, add some hair on my bun on top. And then I just swoop my edges. Okay, for the second style, it's quite easy. All I did was slick my hair back. Bear in mind, I didn't actually slick it back because I was just showing you guys the styles. But when you're doing it, you're going to want to add more product and just slick it back. After you pull your hair back in one, you just want to take some braids. I'm using some kinky braids that I had. And I'm just going to shake it out and add it to my bun. Now I'm going to just take some hair from the back of it and just wrap it around to secure it and give it that nice look. For the front, I'm just gonna add some braids onto the hair in the front and then some beads. For style number 3, I'm gonna slick it all up in one. Then I'm just gonna take some braids that I used before. I actually had braids in and I just didn't throw them away. So don't throw away your braids, guys. Just wash them and reuse them. So I'm using this one. I just cleared it out, put a band around it, and I'm just gonna attach it to my hair. And I have some extra hair on the side. I put a hairpin through it and I'm gonna just wrap it around my hair. Style number 4 is pretty simple, it's pretty easy. I'm gonna just take style number 3 and just wrap the hair around itself and wrap it around to create a nice big messy bun and then pin it into place. Okay guys, that's the end of my hair video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys like the styles and we'll try it. If you do, please tag me on Instagram at thecrazyyahlike. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the styles. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.